stopped at this red light. This is a spot where the car usually goes off onto the right side of the road. There's no one pulled up. This is a 2-lane road right here, and it merges up in front of us. So yeah, right away it goes into this lane that's ending. It's just kind of weird. So the car behind us crept up, but then it just went back over. So it's just weird behavior, not terrible. So we're hugging the right-hand side of the road. I turned on the camera because I felt the car going off onto the shoulder. Kind of is there. Yeah, I mean, our wheel's right on that right-hand lane. I guess that's not terrible. But now why? Yeah. It just seems like it doesn't really want to stay in the road. Now we're over the white line. I need to get one of those hydrophobic covers for my rear camera. I'm just having to clean it way too often. Yeah, we're right on that white line. Now we're over it a little bit. Not really sure why. This bridge can be icy. And we're still over the white line. Now we're back in the road. No, we're not. We're still in the white line. Doing 31 and 25 through town here. In standard. Oh, we're in hurry. That's no good. That's probably why. Now I'm back in standard mode. I don't like to do 30 miles per hour through Wilson. It's a small town. The police don't like it. So it's nice. We're in standard. We're doing 10 miles per hour under the speed limit. See if this pickup truck with big tires puts up with me doing this. I don't really feel like I need to go any faster. I remember back when I moved here, I had a 1984 Toyota van. It only did 25 miles per hour up the pass. Had one of the 22R engines. It was great. It was a mid-engine van. It was so totally cool, but it was embarrassing. I could only do 25 miles per hour up the pass, and yeah. I remember the first time I took a motorcycle up the pass, and I was able to do a little bit faster than that. I was kind of blown away. Oh yeah, and we're getting up to traffic anyway, so it doesn't really matter. That's the thing about passing somebody up here. You speed up just to slow down a little further up the road. I love FSD. People say, well, I like driving. I don't need FSD. Driving's easy. Have fun. Well, yeah, except if you're in traffic or whatever. Then I'd just as soon have the car inch along. So it's for science. Let's see if this can do anything in these conditions. It's pretty gnarball. Top of Teton Pass. I just cleaned the cameras. And let's see. Need to go home. Whoops. So there's traffic that can come pretty fast from the left. We don't have very good visibility to that yet. Obviously, yeah, it's deep snow, so the car's having a little trouble pulling forward. Let's see if there's anything coming this way. Okay, it's clear on that side. Oh boy, yeah, FSD supervised may be degraded. You think? Let's put it in sloth mode. Alright, so we're in sloth mode. At least we have a lead vehicle. I'm sure that helps this thing. So I got the ice off the windshield wipers, and it's kind of deep snow here. I don't know if FSD is going to be able to get us out. Let's see if it can. Be attentive, keep your eyes on the road. What road? right, so there's cars coming from our left. Well, was able to get out of that snow pretty well. That's good. There's no lead vehicle. It's in sloth. It's already accelerating to 25. I definitely want it to go slower. I'm gonna hit the brakes and slow it down and then turn it back on, because that's 27 is just too fast for me. Maybe not for the car, but definitely for me. Well, that's kind of nice. You know, you hit the brakes and you turn it back on, and then it doesn't accelerate as much. So it is kind of going off the road a little bit into like the shoulder area right now. You can see there's only one track. Whoops. Come on. One track to the side. I felt it slip a little bit there. It's in a little bit of deeper snow. Well, it's doing pretty well, but I definitely had to slow it down because it was doing 27 before I disengaged and then re-engaged. Is that a thing? Does it know when you disengage and hit the brakes that you want it to go slower? Let me know. So the visibility is okay. The B-pillar cameras were heated, so they were pretty clear. All right, it's taking me down. There's a pretty big turn just below us here. Whoops, just below us here, this turn. I like to go pretty slow on that one because there's can be traffic coming up and around. So if you slide, you're going to slide potentially into traffic. So let's see, it's at 24 now. Let's see if it's at 23, so it's slowing down. That's good. 22, that's good. Thank you for slowing down, FSD. 19, yeah. I do 19 around this turn in these conditions all the time. That's great, thank you. Well, if we make it around the next two big turns, I'm going to turn it off because that's really going to be the trick. So we're going 26, 25, good, it's great. I love that it's slowing down, but you should slow down more. Okay, 24. This is another one that I like to take at like 19 in these conditions. There's no traffic coming, that's good. No slipping, that's good. All right, Tesla team, way to go. I'm gonna call it here. I think, well, there's one more turn that's a little gnarball. Let's get down there, and then I'll check out for the remainder of the drive. Got some lead vehicles, so that might force us to slow down a little bit. All right, I'm going to call that good. Waywire Tesla and Tech from another Teton storm. Take care.